Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is me Syed Shazia. Today I am going to represent lecture first of your second unit, that is light, for class 7th. First of all, we will see what we are going to teach, or what I am going to teach in this unit. I have highlighted the topics. First of all is introduction, then light travels in straight path, reflection of light, lateral inversion, spherical mirrors, इसमें आते हैं कनकेव एंड कन्वेक्स मिरर्स, स्फेरिकल लेंसेज, डिस्पर्शन ऑफ लाइट. Today we are going to study about the introduction, or what is light. लाइट आप लोगों ने भी देखी होगी. लाइट क्या होती है? लाइट enables us to see the objects. It makes us to visualize the objects. Light enables us to see the things around us. Now how we are able to see the objects around us? Think of your living room. You are able to see the chairs, table, fan, television and all other things which are present in the living room because of the light. So we are able to see all the objects clearly. So you know what makes you to visualize the objects clearly? If you are not getting into your mind, then switch off the light of your room, especially at night. Will you be able to see the objects around you? Of course not. This shows that light plays a very important role in order to see the things. So light is something which enables us to see the things, and that is so very vital. Seeing things is quite important, right? So light helps us to see things. Now the question is, do we see? What do we see? Or I mean, how light is so important. ठीक है? Because of the light we can take a daily example of our daily routine. What we see because of the light? Because of light we see beautiful scenery around us. ठीक है? We are able to read, write or walk or swim. Any activity we are doing in our daily routine needs light. For example, we are enjoying looking at animals or different creatures because of the light. All of these are possible because of the presence of light. Now think, is light the only requirement? Is light the only component which is required to see the things? Or is light the only requirement to see the things clearly? Of course not. For example, if there you have seen a blind person, ठीक है? He is in a room, there is light but he can't see the objects in the room. That means eye is the another component which helps us to see the things clearly. So our eyes must be functioning well in order to see the things clearly. So these two components, light and eyes, they work hand in hand to see the objects around you. To see the objects, light is the crucial thing which enables us to see the objects clearly. Now how we define light in terms of in physics. ठीक है? Light क्या होती है? It is a form of energy like all other forms of energy, like electrical energy, magnetic energy, sound energy, heat energy. Light is also a form of energy. It enables us to see things. ये हमें चीज़ों को देखने में मदद करती है. ठीक है? Or we can define light in another definition. It is a natural agent that stimulates sight and makes things visible. ठीक है? This is all for today. Thank you.